The secret to building wealth has nothing to do with how much money you earn. It has everything to do with who you pay first. Most people get this wrong, and that's where they end up being broke. In today's video, I will show you one of the most powerful yet underrated wealth building strategies millionaires swear by: paying yourself first, and why it could change your financial life forever. What does paying yourself actually means? This is a financial strategy whereby you prioritize your finances and your financial goals by setting aside a portion of your income towards your future before covering any living expenses and discretionary spending. Meaning, before you pay your rent, utilities, or TV subscriptions, you need to make sure you invest in your future. So why is it important to pay yourself first? By design, when you pay yourself first, you are breaking the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. You build wealth automatically without having to think about it. This means you are living within your means. And as a result, this helps you from overspending and prioritizing your financial goals, ending up building up something like a financial net whereby you don't ever stress about money. And now the fun part: how do you pay yourself first? First thing first, you need to automate your savings. You need to set up a direct deposit in a high yield savings account, preferably different from your checking bank account. And if you have fluctuating income such as freelancers or occasional gigs, you need to set up the amount based on that particular income. This is whereby you save more during the high income periods and save less during the less income periods. And the second thing you need to do is, depending on the employer you have, you need to set up a retirement plan, whether it's 401k or Roth IRA. And if you have other income sources that brings you more money, you can actually then save more, preferably more than 30% on those additional sources. And lastly, you need to set up additional savings funds such as traveling funds or for a big purchase. And remember, you still have a life to live and enjoy. And with that in mind, you need to let your financial goals dictate where your pay yourself money goes. For short-term goals, for example, you can make extra payments to get free from debts or build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of living expenses. For mid-term, you can save for your education, buying a home, or major expenses. And for the long term, you can invest for retirement using methods like stocks, real estate, and other vehicles based on your personal preference or research. And the big question is, how much percentage of your income you're already contributing towards your future? Click here to learn more about what to do next when it comes to working towards your financial success. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.